right, from Harbor Freight. Hex cap screw assortment, 106 pieces. You get 8/32 all the way to 5/16 of an inch. Let's open this up, see what we got. He even comes with a description of the various sizes. Not bad. Tell you what would be nicer though, is if it had the screws and up here the drill and tap assortment for the screws. That would be nice, but that'd be a lot more money than what I paid for this. Snaps together okay. You hang it on the hook on your workbench or throw it in your truck or work drawer. So let's try this out. Okay, I am looking for 8/32, so there it is right there. And there it is. Not bad. Alright, let's see how it fits. So I got the hole right here. That's it. Right there, it ain't going nowhere. So that's good. That is a real good buy. You can't go wrong with this. So that's all I got for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Later.